Are you ready to start an agency and sign your first client? Today, I'm going to take you on a journey through 10 remarkable agency ideas that you can turn into a thriving business. Imagine a world where you are no longer chasing clients, but rather have them lining up to work with you. In this video, I'll guide you through 10 agency ideas that will not only help you land high-paying clients, but also create a sustainable income stream for you. Let's kick off our journey with agency number 1, which is a social media management agency. Picture this: you become the social media guru, helping businesses navigate this ever-changing landscape of social media. By providing expert management services, you'll help them establish a strong online presence, engage with their target audience, and ultimately drive sales. You will develop comprehensive social media strategies, curate compelling content, and execute successful ad campaigns across various platforms. Get ready to embrace the power of social media and become a sought-after digital strategist. Now, let's transition to agency number 2, which is a web design and development agency. Every business needs a captivating online presence, and that's where you come in. As a web design and development agency, you will bring your clients' visions to life by creating stunning websites that not only look great, but also deliver an exceptional user experience. You'll work closely with clients to understand their brand identity and target audience, then design and develop websites that reflect their unique personality and drive conversions. With this, you'll become an architect of their online success. But wait, the possibilities don't end there. Let's move on to agency number 3, which is a search engine optimization agency, or an SEO agency. In the vast digital landscape, businesses are competing for the top spot on search engines. As an SEO agency, you'll be the wizard behind the scenes, optimizing websites, conducting in-depth keyword research, and implementing strategies that will help your clients climb the search engine rankings. You will optimize website structures, create compelling meta tags, build high-quality backlinks, and continuously analyze and refine SEO campaigns to drive organic traffic. In this, you're going to get ready to unlock the power of organic traffic and propel businesses to new heights. Transitioning to agency number 4, which is a content marketing agency. Content is king, and businesses are hungry for captivating content that engages their audience and drives conversions. As a content marketing agency, you'll be the storyteller, creating compelling blog posts, articles, videos, and social media content that captivates readers and generates leads. You'll conduct thorough research, develop content strategies, craft persuasive copy, and leverage various distribution channels to ensure your clients' content reaches their target audience. With this, you're going to get ready to harness the power of words and build brands that actually stand out. Moving on to agency number 5, which is an email marketing agency. In a world filled with overflowing inboxes, businesses need to cut through the noise and deliver personalized messages that resonate with their audience. As an email marketing agency, you will craft strategic campaigns, segment consumer lists, and optimize open and click-through rates. You will create engaging email content, design eye-catching templates, conduct A/B testing, and even analyze campaign performance to ensure maximum impact. With this, you will get ready to be the master of communication and help businesses achieve impressive conversion rates. Let's transition to agency number 6, which is a graphic design and branding agency. In a visually driven world, businesses need a strong brand identity that leaves a lasting impression. As a graphic design and branding agency, you'll create stunning visuals, design logos, develop brand guidelines, and help businesses establish a cohesive brand image. You'll collaborate with clients to understand their values, target audience, and desired brand positioning. Then translate those insights into visually compelling designs that evoke emotions and convey messages. With this, you'll get ready to bring their visions to life and make an impact through compelling design. Now let's explore agency idea number 7, which is a video production and editing agency. Video content is booming, and businesses are seeking captivating videos that tell their story and engage their audience. As a video production and editing agency, you'll be the creative force behind remarkable videos, editing footage, adding effects, and bringing ideas to life. From concept to development and script writing to shooting and post-production, you will handle every aspect of video production to deliver visually stunning and compelling videos. Get ready to create visual masterpieces that captivate viewers and elevate brands. But wait, there's more. Let's move on to agency number 8, which is a virtual assistant services agency. Now, with the rise of remote work, businesses are seeking virtual assistants to handle their day-to-day tasks and provide valuable support. As a virtual assistant agency, you'll offer services like scheduling, customer support, inbox management, research, and more. You'll become an indispensable asset to your clients, efficiently managing their administrative tasks, coordinating their calendars, and ensuring their operations run smoothly. With this, you'll get ready to become the backbone of the businesses, freeing up their time and focusing on growth and success for these businesses. Let's now dive into agency number 9, which is an influencer marketing agency. Influencer marketing has taken the world by storm, with businesses leveraging influential individuals to promote their products or services. As an influencer marketing agency, you'll bridge the gap between brands and influencers, creating partnerships that drive brand awareness and also boosting sales. You'll identify the right influencers for your clients, negotiate collaborations, and develop creative campaigns that actually showcase products or services for the clients. With this, you're going to get ready to unlock the power of influence and create impactful collaborations. Finally, let's unveil agency number 10, which is a business coaching and consulting agency. If you have accumulated extensive knowledge and experience in specific industry, why not share your expertise as a business coach or consultant? By offering guidance, strategies, and personalized advice, you can help aspiring entrepreneurs and businesses overcome challenges and achieve their goals. You'll provide one-on-one coaching, conduct workshops and training sessions, as well as develop customized solutions to help businesses thrive. With this, you're going to get ready to be the catalyst for success and witness your clients' remarkable transformations. And there you have it, 10 incredible agency ideas that can help you sign your first client. Each idea presents a unique opportunity to showcase your skills, make a difference, and create a lucrative income stream. It's time to take the leap, choose the path that resonates with you, and embark on an exciting journey towards financial success. So, once you've launched one of these agencies, here is a tool that will help you streamline all your agency operations. So you are going to use agencywork.io, which is an all-in-one agency management software that allows you to streamline all your agency operations, from invoicing, client communication, project and task management, as well as lead management. So if you want to streamline your agency, check out agencywork.io, which is linked in the description.